Okay, hey guys, here's this wig stand from Amazon. This wig stand is $19.99. It does require you to pay shipping. I'm gonna show you how I unpackage it, build it, and everything else. Stay tuned. So as you can clearly see, the wig stand does not come assembled, so you must do that. This is basic common sense. You can put the pieces together by yourself. I didn't have to look at any directions, but there is directions on the actual site on Amazon to show you step by step what you need to do. It's pretty much 1, 2, 3. This took me less than 2 minutes to put together. It wasn't as hard as the ring light was, but this was pretty much what needed to be done. So I'm going to show you step by step what I did, connected which pieces to what. You can slow the video down if you need to see. The stand actually comes with like a lace overlay on top of where the wig actually goes. I guess that's to prevent slippage. So that's definitely gonna help you. As you can see, I'm pretty much done right now. I put it on my table. It looks like a lamp. So you can adjust it to any height that you want as far as it can go up, but I needed it to be more of my level so that I can be comfortable when I was flat ironing the wig. And this would be great to just put on your dresser and pop your wig there and not worry about it. You could have flexi rods in it and just take them out in the morning. And this is a very good affordable price. Here I go putting the wig on top of the stand, just trying to feel everything out, seeing if the slippage is crazy or not. So you'll see as the video goes on. I have my flat iron set to about 450 degrees, also from Amazon. This whole video, everything is from Amazon, the light, the stand, and the flat iron. So I try to do it like this on the table as how I wanted to use it, because you can also use it for styling. They also said you can use it to dry your wig out. So if you washed your hair, you would just pop the wig on the stand, let it dry, and come back to it later instead of hanging it up over the shower or trying to find a place to hang it. Pretty inconvenient. You can just pop a towel under the stand and dry your hair and call it a day. So far the table didn't work for me. I had to put her between my legs like the old school style, and that wasn't really working for me. I started to get burnt and everything like that with the flat iron. I just couldn't stretch out the hair too much, so I had to go to plan C. And plan C was me putting my legs on top of the stand, on top of the table to get her to act right. So basically that did work for me and helped me get through the hair flat ironing. So I would say if you're getting this for styling, I would say I would not get that for that purpose. I would actually probably just get it for the purpose of using it as a stand to keep your wig on, or after you wash it to put it up there like that, or maybe you curled it and you want to keep the curls popping. I would say yeah, it's a go for that. But as for styling, you would have to find something heavy to hold down the actual stand, maybe tape. But later on I did find a solution. So I used one of those clips in the front, as you can see. So I clipped the wig onto the actual stand, and it really held the wig. I can pull it tight and nothing happens. It doesn't slip off or anything like that. So that definitely helped me get through the last few pieces that I had to go through. So you see how tight it was? You get into a fight and it is not coming off. This was definitely a big help for me once I figured this out, because like I said, there is lace underneath there on the actual wig stand, so it definitely helped grip the clip. So yeah, this is pretty much the finishing product. I'm just gonna go in with my hot comb. I took that off, so I did have to hold the wig in place in order for there to be no slippage. I guess maybe if your wig is a little bit smaller, it would help out. And this wig is very, very tight, so I'm not sure about that. But like I said, use it as a stand. It'll work out. It's $20. You really can't go wrong with that. So as you can see, this is the stand in a whole. It's pretty sturdy. No real complaints about it. And that's pretty much it. So I hope you guys enjoyed my video. I really had fun styling this. I felt like that was like my real client or something like that. It was pretty fun. I love laying her apart and everything like that with that hot comb. I flipped her hair back. It looked good, definitely. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Click the link down below to get this product. Thank you. Bye.